Hi guys, today we're at the C&O Railway and Heritage Center in Clifton, Virginia. So we got all kinds of stuff going on here today. There's a CSX, I believe, coming right now. Here's a caboose we're going to show you the inside of. And now there's the CSX, guys. We're gonna go in this car now. 7 guys. GP7. It's in very nice condition, as you can see. Very nice condition. I know you can get on this. It's not like Steamtown with all the red tape. Okay, so now we're climbing up on the Jeep 7. It's kind of hard to climb up on. And I know we can go in this, guys. Yep. Doors open. Oh boy. Wow. It's weird and hot in here. And the paint's all chipping. This is where you would sit. Right there out the window. There's everything. There's one side. And you can, I think, go out this way. Nope, can't go out that way. And there's down in here. Yep. There's porta potty. And a bunch of other stuff in there. Looks like that's a paper towel holder or something. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So, there's this, guys, and now we're going out. There's the station again. Getting a picture of me up here. So now let's come down. Now we're going up on the old switching tower. Oh, that's okay. Go up here and show you guys inside the window there. That's inside of the switching tower. Alright, now let's come down. Wow, look at this. Number 614. That's pretty cool. This is a little ride-on model of the Jeep 7 that you can ride on. Right here, if you come to the place. There's the Chesapeake, Ohio caboose. There we go.
So it was the they used this to run the mountain from Covington to Hot Springs. And as you notice on this car, it has Jim Crow era seating in it.
Yeah.
There were 4 here, and then there were 4 over here until they removed them. So the dining car is that way. And I'll
That way, okay.
It gets like a burnout on these cars.
Oh, wow.
Very nice.
So
cool.
the cooling works, the heat works in the winter time. We have water that we can connect to the kitchen back there on it. And there's 2 refrigeration units right here. And if you open them,
They're cold.
Yeah, they'll get, since I just turned it on,
Look
it'll
at the
get,
kitchen, bud.
yeah, the kitchen.
That's a big kitchen.
Oh, wow, it is a big
I
kitchen.
covered the top of the stove up.
It's all original. It still works.
Yeah.
There's centers.
Neat.
Yeah.
It all works.
Wow.
Now, how did you obtain this one?
Came off of the George Washington. This was used on the George Washington train.
Oh.
And in the freight house, we have the end piece that came off of the train, George Washington, and it's still, it's electric, and it was lit when the train ran, and it's still, we still can hook electric up to it.
Okay, now we're crossing across in here. What car is this? This is the sleeper car.
Sleeper car.
Yeah, I'm tired. I might just hop myself in here and go to sleep. That's not looking too great. Here's another sleeper. Here's a sitting one.
No, the bed's up there.
Where's the bed?
Bed pulls down.
Oh, the bed pulls down. This is like a, I don't know. Oh, this is a,
Accommodation.
yeah. Mirror, heat control, ceiling. There's another one. Yeah, this one's different. It's got a fan, a light, 2 beds. This is an old Chesapeake in Ohio caboose, like we saw on the little train ride. Climbing up onto the caboose now. There's your brake wheel. Yeah, look at the inside. It's all old and wooden. Wow. This is different. There's a stove. Here's the back. Shows you up there. Let's go up here. Hey everyone, this is me. Sitting up here where the people used to sit when you were in the caboose, looking out ahead and backwards so they could signal the engineer. So, pretty cool up here, you know? Here's all these old signals. Just rusting away. These are very old cars, you can just tell. Very, very old. They're all rusted and rotted out. Danger, gasoline. It's pretty scary. Wooden. That's still pretty scary. Doesn't look too good. Now we're in a different car. Oh, this one's all different. This one's newer. Oh wow, that's really cool. Got a chair there to sit. There's your bathroom. Wow, that toilet looks pretty old. Chassis system first aid kit. That's cool. That is really cool. This is boiler. See that other one right there? That's what they're working on up in there. They have different kind of chairs up in here. Here's this different kind of chair. This one's bigger. There's that. Now I'm coming down. Here we go, guys. There's a CSX for you, modern day. Well, there's that. And now I'm sitting in the passenger side of the steam
C&O 614.
of the C&O 614 steam locomotive.
Greenbrier.
So cool.
Tells you about it.
Here's this. This is what tells about it. I'll pause the. I'll back up, and you can go ahead and pause your screen, and you can read that if you would like. And this is where they would keep the coal for the steam locomotive, up in here. That's pretty cool. Got the old shovel. This is kind of cool. It's like a digital. See, it tells you a digital
Oh, that's
mile
because
per
it's
hour.
been reworked.
Because it's been reworked, Dad says. Yep. Digital miles per hour. Here's down in the old boiler portion. Up in there. It's pretty cool. So, there's that. Here I am in the driver's seat of the Greenbrier 614. This has been redone because there's a digital miles per hour on there. In fact, I need to go buy something like that. This is pretty cool, just sitting here. Here's this side of it here. Look at the wheel. That's huge. It's bigger than me. Now here we are in the gift shop portion of the museum. I'm showing you guys real fast. And there you go.